Well, hello folks, welcome back to the Eric Michaels Show. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up and secure your website for free. Let me say that again. I'm going to show you how you can both speed up and secure your website for free. I'm talking, of course, about Cloudflare. But Eric, I want to know how I can specifically hook up my GrooveFunnels website to Cloudflare. Well, don't fret, my friend. We are going to do just that. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to log into GrooveCM. It's GrooveCM instead of groove.com because they believe that customers matter. And I do too. Anyhow, you're going to get logged in. If you don't already have an account, I'll have a link below in the description where you can get a free account. I will also have the link for the upgrade. All right, but now that I'm logged into GrooveFunnels, I'm going to go over here and click my avatar picture on the top right and click my account. I'm going to click all the way on the right where it says domains. I'm not going to do a subdomain. I'm going to connect a custom domain. So I'm going to select this one on the right and then the red button manage on the bottom. You can see that Eric the Tech Mind is already secured and connected. So I'm going to add a different domain this time. So I'm going to click up here on this red button. If you want the easy way, you can just select this one as recommended. This one's recommended for brand new or unused domains, but any legacy content of the domain will not be carried over. I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to select this other option here and show you what we need to do. This is for the legacy domain with important content on it that cannot be overwritten. This will protect current domains and subdomains and will allow you to add on additional subdomains or even use the root domain to use for your Groove apps, which is very important. Note, for enabling SSL on subdomains, you need to use either Cloudflare or purchase SSL certificate from us by emailing our support here. Now, I buy all my websites from Namecheap. So I've got my 3 domains there with them, and I buy SSL through them. If you don't know what an SSL is, it's a secure sockets layer. It's a certificate that helps keep your website safe. It's the one that gives you the little lock symbol over here. If you don't have an SSL, if somebody visits your website, that's when they'll get the warning that, hey, the site can't be trusted. You want to proceed anyway. And it goes without saying that that's going to hinder how much traffic you get to your website. So you need an SSL. Absolutely. Absolutely. But Cloudflare does it for free. Anyhow, world's fastest growing CRM and marketing automation platform, talking of course about Groove. Over 500,000 people already using and enjoying the software. Anyhow, back to where we are here. I'm just going to click next. I'm just going to type the domain that I want to add. This time we are going to do ericmichaelshow.com and click next. Connect your domain in a few simple steps. Log into your account with your domain provider, which for me is Namecheap. This means wherever you purchased your domain through, and create a TXT record to the record below. Once it's added, click on the next button and verify your domain configuration in the next step. So I will show you how to do that. So I'm going to click right here and get that copied. If you don't know what DNS stands for, it's Domain Name System. Nobody will remember 937 2 3 4 1 5 7 7 3 4 2 4, but they will remember Eric Michaels Show. So that's the beauty of the domain name system. Full screen, cuckoo. So check it out. Type in cloudflare.com. Emblem looks like this. It's a global network built for the cloud. Helps you secure your website, make it private, faster, and more reliable. Anyhow, it's going to make your site more secure and it's going to speed it up as well. Win-win, baby. So we're going to go over here to the top right and click login. And then we are going to log into our account. If you don't have one, of course, just sign up for one. Create a free profile there. It'll take you to your dashboard that looks like this. I have a couple of sites already running on Cloudflare, but I'm going to add a third. So I'm going to click right here to add a site. Type in which site I'm going to add, and it is going to be this one right here, ericthetechmind.com. And put that in there and click add site right underneath, big blue button. You can't miss it. Here are their paid programs. If you are running a business and you need these extra features here to run your business, then by all means, check out those plans. But we're going to go down here and click Get Started for free. This package is ideal for people with personal or hobby projects that aren't business critical. And click Continue. Scanning for your existing DNS records. It is scanning my site right now, and it has pulled up all my stuff here. These are my different name servers. If you are doing any kind of emailing with your website, you're going to need an MX record. I'm not going to mess with that right now. We're going to click Continue. Appointing the Cloudflare's name servers is a critical step in activation and must be completed for Cloudflare to optimize and protect your site. So since I purchased all my websites through Namecheap, I'll have to log into my Namecheap account in order to get my name servers. I'm going to remove the name servers that I have already and replace them with Cloudflare's name servers. So then I'm just going to click these name servers and prop them in. Pardon my puppies barking in the background. They're a nuisance. Anyway, oh, I love them to death. Anyway, I'm going to do as instructed and add a record. So I'm going to click that blue button right there. It's going to pop up this menu like such. I'm going to change the type right here to TXT as instructed. We are just simply going to type in the @ symbol right here. Bam. Then I'm going to paste what I had copied earlier over in Groove from right here. We're going to paste that right there. Click save. Ba-boom, ba-bam. Now you can see that it is added there. So now we go back to Groove to continue. So now I can click next. Once I get to this screen here, I'm just going to click this to validate those DNS records. Then it'll say domain added successfully. Woohoo! Your domain has been connected successfully. Now you can manage the records for your connected domain. We'll go back to your domains page. We're going to complete the process. Note, when using this method for connecting your domain with Groove, you will need to manually add in the required records to your DNS settings for every domain connection. But complete process, bam, we are done. The Eric Michael Show is now secured and connected. Cloudflare is so awesome that they'll walk you through what to do
to help you get the most out of their service. Configure your domain settings to improve security, optimize performance, and get the most out of your account.
Pretty cool. And now we will do the same thing in supersonic speed. All right, so we're going to add another domain. We're going to go to Legacy Domain Setup. We're going to click Next. We're going to go over here. We're going to type in the domain that we would like to do next, ericwoolwalder.com. We would like to copy the same thing. We would like to do the same thing and open up the website in Cloudflare and go to DNS settings. We're going to add another record right here. We're going to go change the type. We're going to change it to TXT. We're going to just put an @ symbol right there like such. We're going to copy and paste what we have already copied. We're going to hit save. We're going to go back. We're going to click next. We're going to click validate. Then we're going to click complete process. Bam! Did you see how fast that was? It's under a minute. Under a minute. Awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy GrooveFunnels, aka groove.cm, and I hope you enjoy Cloudflare and their wonderful, wondrous free service to both secure and speed up your websites. Catch you later on the Eric Michael Show. So since I bought that's when they'll get the warrant. So nobody's gonna remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nobody will remember 6, 7, 8, 9. Nobody will remember 5, 6, 7. So now I'm gonna do as instructed and add, pardon my puppies, yet pardon my puppies back. We're gonna type in the domain. We're gonna type in the